Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Turn the ignition off and lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it stays raised. This prevents accidental motor movement and keeps the arm clear. On a 2017 Nissan Altima, locate the small release tab at the blade connector pivot, press it firmly, then slide the blade down toward the windshield to disengage the J-hook adapter. Hold the arm while removing the blade to avoid it snapping back and cracking the glass. Set the old blades aside and verify the driver side length is 26 inches and the passenger side is 17 inches. Unpack replacement blades and verify the driver blade is 26 inches and the passenger blade is 17 inches. Match connector types if buying aftermarket. Position the arm away from the glass, align the J-hook opening on the new blade, and slide the blade up into the hook until you hear or feel a distinct click that indicates the locking tab engaged. Tug the blade lightly to confirm it is secure. Slowly lower the arm back to the glass so the rubber sits flush and even along the windshield curvature. Start the Altima and activate the washer and wipers to observe full sweep, even contact, and no skipping or streaking. The blade should clear water in a single pass and not flap when parked. If you see streaks, uneven contact, or gaps, clean the rubber edge with isopropyl alcohol and retest. Replace blades if problems persist. Routine care includes replacing blades every 6 to 12 months, avoiding running wipers on a dry windshield, and lifting blades off ice before using them to prevent torn rubber or bent arms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.